What? You're telling me the insights from our brand new, multi-million-dollar AI customer prediction model are coming
Oh
through with
no!
column names like cpredval00x final temp. If I catch anyone trying to build reports off that kind of indecipherable mess, they're getting a one-way ticket to data cleanup duty for a week. This is exactly why PySpark's alias is mandatory knowledge.
Whoa! Data cleanup duty for a week sounds rough. So, this alias thing, it's to stop that kind of disaster? What does it actually do?
Precisely. It's your first line of defense against data chaos. Think of alias like giving a mission-critical piece of equipment a clear, unmistakable label instead of its factory serial number. In PySpark, alias lets you instantly rename a column in your data frame to something everyone can understand.
Okay, so instead of cpredval00x final temp, we could use alias to make it predicted customer value? That makes way more sense, especially if that AI model is supposed to be, like, the next big thing for predicting what online shoppers will buy, like with those new generative AI shopping assistants everyone's talking about.
Exactly. Those AI shopping assistants, they're spewing out tons of data. If the column names are cryptic, you're wasting precious time deciphering instead of acting. Alias makes that raw data from the AI immediately usable and understandable for your team. No excuses for confusion.
Alright, I'm sold on avoiding data cleanup duty. Show me the magic. How does alias look in PySpark code?
It's refreshingly simple, which is why there's no excuse not to use it. Say we have our AI predictions data frame, and that awful column cpredval00x final temp. To fix it, we use col function to select our badly named column, and then just tack on .alias predicted customer value. Boom. Clarity. The original data isn't touched, but this new readable predictions data frame now has a column that actually means something. It's about speed, clarity, and avoiding costly mistakes.
Wow, that's a quick fix for such a big potential headache. So, alias is basically a non-negotiable for clean data.
You got it. Top data engineers don't tolerate messy data. It's foundational. Want more no-nonsense PySpark truths?
Definitely. Then hit that like button, subscribe, and demand notifications by ringing that bell. Don't get caught with cryptic columns.